Now let's integrate another functionality, which is going to be a search functionality. Whenever user type in some product that he or she want to search, it should get all the results related to that particular query. So we'll be doing something like this. So this is one sample website that I take. For example, if someone want to search for some product, let's say phone, enter, it should give all the fonts. It should take to another page, which will be like catalog page. We'll be building this kind of page, catalog, and it should show us all the products and ability to filter them by price, rating, and all these kind of stuff. So let's begin. So this template comes with the one catalog HTML design that you can get if you visit shop. Let's open up that template e-zone that you downloaded. Let's open up index.html. So currently we are using this home design electronics, and there are a lot of shop layout like grid column, this kind of layout for catalog page. Grid 3 column. I think 4 column will be fine. Let's see. Yeah, this kind of 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's start by this form. So this will be the form, and when we hit search, it should send the request. So let's go to home page. Let's open up code and let's go to home.blade, and in home.blade, in this upper section we got, so this form is inside, I think, navbar. Let's see, let's go to our layouts, front.blade, and in front.blade we got a form for search. Here we go, this form. And I think we will get rid of this category selection for now. Okay, whenever we enter here, this form should submit to some endpoint. Let's create that endpoint. So that will be route products dot search. So we'll create this route, and this form will be doing the get request. Input name will be, let's say, query. Type submit. And now let's build this route. Let's go to product controller inside this products controller, not inside admin. This is only for admin, this is for front end. And here let's create another method. I think we won't be needing all these in our front end to edit, delete, store, create. Let's get rid of these and just keep what we need. So currently we are just utilizing index view. And now let's create another method for search. So it will be accepting the request, and yeah, for now just item request all. And in web.php, let's define that route. Route get product search product controller. Let's go ahead and test this out. Watch search. Yeah, we are getting query, and in our controller we can write, we can get query like so, request input query, and we can search in our products where, so we will search for name of product where name matches this query string. So this should be inside double quotes. Get, so it will get the matching products, and we'll return the view product dot search, or we can say product catalog. Yeah, catalog, product catalog, and we'll pass products. That's it. And we'll build this view file inside product resources, views, product index. So let's duplicate this, save it as catalog.blade. There we go, we got our new catalog page. And that page will contain the structure of this page. So let's go ahead and copy the content of this page from our static file, which is going to be soft grid 3 column. We got different option, 3 column. We got soft grid 4 column as well. Yeah, soft.html file. So let's use that soft.html. Open this up. So all the content of these file, as we have already copied header and all stuff, we don't need these. We only need soft page wrapper. We also don't need footer area and all these model. So we only need this one, soft page wrapper, and let's go to catalog page, and instead of here we will replace, let's go ahead and replace everything. So we'll put that newly copied section inside container. So right now this contains a lot of repetitive code. For some reason this CSS of this page is broken. Let's see why is that so. Let's go to controller and see is everything is loading right. We might have broken something. Yeah, here we should pass the second parameter as name like this. Alright, now it should match all the products that matches this query, like so. Okay, so we are getting products, so that's fine. Product catalog looks like here something is broken. Let's see what. Layouts front. Alright, so as you can see in this page all CSS are not working because as you can see here it didn't find all the JPG and CSS file because it is trying to look at this location, products, assets, CSS, and this location. So the problem here is, let's see, so if you go any multi-layer like 2-layer product search, it is trying to look at this folder and then it is not finding that. So this happens because if we go to layouts front file, we have used like this href/assets and all this. So what we can we have to do is we have to use assets method or assets helper, and that should fix it. Let's see first if just putting the slash will work. Because slash meaning look from public folder. Yeah. So same thing we should do for JS files. And all JS related errors should also go. Yeah, so only this problem with some logo. Okay, so here let's load up the content from shop.html. So in this HTML5 we'll just need this wrapper, everything inside this shop page wrapper div. Just copy it over to here. There we go. So we can remove all other, can remove this yo-yo thing. Okay, so all these will be replaced by the dynamic content from our controller, which is this product, this products. So in product catalog, so we'll remove all these repetitive content like these columns. So this column with 3% width is this column, and this 9 is this column. And in shop bar area, everything is inside shop bar area. So this shop product content. Okay, so we'll replace all these repetitive, we'll get rid of everything and just keep one div for looping. Yeah, so we'll loop through this and display all products. We also got another row. So this is for pagination. So grid sidebar 2. Yeah, so this is for this tab, changing of tab. Yeah, we don't need this 2 tab grid sidebar. We don't need this tab, just get rid of it. And also we don't need this selector, this kind of selector, this selector. It should be good without that. Yeah, so we also don't need this thing, sop tab filter. We can entirely get rid of this. There we go. Alright, so now let's loop through it. For each products as product. Yeah, we can use our includes for single product. This one, include, like we previously used for our categories page. If I can show you that, this page, product index page, we use like so. Include product, single product, same thing. Let's see how it looks. Okay, yeah, so currently looks like there are no products. Instead of using for each, yeah, it's okay, we cannot use for else. And here instead of 23 we can just count the product, or we can use products count. So 0 product found for this search. Let's search this shunt. So we got 2 product found. Yeah, but this layout is broken. Maybe that is broken because we are using these extra rows, these extra column. Let's get rid of this. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, looks fine. And let's go to single product. Looks like here, yeah, same mistake. These all assets should be starting from the slash so that we can see the image. There we go. Yeah, for now it is fine. 2 product found, 2 products found. So to display pagination, we can just do like products render like so. So right now there is no pagination, so it won't show any pagination because we are not paginating here. We are doing get. Let's do paginate. Let's for now paginate one product so that we can see pagination, because yeah, this should give us the 2. There we go. So while paginating, we should also make some changes. Now let's get rid of these styles. Product render. I think we can do appends. Query, so that we can send the query request. As you can see here, we see the multiple items. For example, if we search front, we see the 2 products, but for now, yeah, it is showing 1 product. If we go to second one, it should send this query as well. Okay, yeah, so right now only one thing, we need to fix this thing. If we do pagination, we cannot just count, because count will have only 2. We can do total, products total. Yeah, 2 product found, but due to pagination, we can see only 1 product per page. Alright, so our pagination is also in place. So if you want, you can put this kind of banner before this, which will make it look a bit nicer, like in this template. This, yeah, we can easily pull that in from our HTML view. So this is the HTML we got, and here we got the breadcrumb, and this contains the header. Let's copy that over to catalog, and we can put that up here. So that should display style background, also assets from. Let's see if that works. Yeah, so this also looks nice. So you can put any of your custom image of this dimension over here, and it will look according to your custom design. Yeah, let's only paginate 10 results per page. Let's see how it looks without any query, because it should show all the products in our page. Yeah, only 10 page per product, 48 products found. Yeah, everything fine. So this is for simple search. If things are getting complex by here, we can select by size. So as we progress, we can add these, like simply you can replace for categories, as we have already done for categories in our home page. So our logo is missing. Let's fix that. Go to layouts, front, and in front, yeah, this logo. So what we can do is we can replace all these. So Control S for replace. So find all the /assets and replace this with assets. Alright, so can we do all replace TS? My bad, sorry about that. Replace all. now we should see all error from here should go fine, and we can see. So for categories as well, we have already implemented this kind of thing, which you can simply replace the link over to this page also. So currently we are using just dummy data, that's why these names are ridiculous. So there are a lot of things you can tweak according to your taste. So in next video what we'll do is we'll implement some advanced kind of search functionality, and we'll proceed further to make these kind of search work. Yeah, so I'll see you on next video. Bye.